In this video we're taking an honest look at Workana, a freelance platform that has gained popularity in Latin America. While it offers opportunities for freelancers, it's essential to understand both the advantages and limitations before diving in. Workana provides a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for freelancers seeking projects in various fields. The platform allows freelancers to create profiles, bid on projects, and communicate with clients, facilitating a streamlined workflow. Additionally, Workana offers tools for project management and secure payment processing, which can enhance the freelancing experience. However, some users have reported challenges with the platform. For instance, there have been concerns about the quality of job postings, with some freelancers encountering low-paying opportunities that may not align with their skill levels. Additionally, the competition on the platform can be intense, making it challenging for new freelancers to secure projects. Some users have also mentioned that the verification process for profiles can be time-consuming, potentially delaying the start of work. It's worth noting that Workana has received mixed reviews from its user base. While some freelancers appreciate the platform's features and have successfully secured projects, others have expressed dissatisfaction with aspects such as client communication and project expectations. As with any freelancing platform, experiences can vary widely depending on individual circumstances. In conclusion, Workana can be a viable option for freelancers, particularly those based in Latin America, seeking to expand their client base. However, it's crucial to approach the platform with realistic expectations and be prepared for the competitive nature of the freelancing market. Thoroughly vetting job postings and maintaining clear communication with clients can help mitigate potential challenges. If you're interested in more in-depth reviews and insights into freelancing platforms, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.